Hello to all my friends out there. So now I want to make a smoothie. At night, if I can, I'm trying to have fruit. So in my smoothie, I will have 1/2 banana, and one cup of frozen fruit. And so now I'm going to be trying to find all ways to get coconut in my diet. I think the best way is fresh coconut. I'll be looking into that. And I stockpiled almonds. And so if I got those at Walmart. So in my smoothie, I roasted a little coconut and 6 almonds. I do know, like, generally 6 almonds is good enough. And then I bought this yogurt at Dollar Tree, so say 25 cents each. And then I will add 1 cup milk. And so I will just blend that all together and I will be back.